Hello friends, how are you? I hope you are good at your home with your family. Now move towards the study. In this video, I am going to cover a topic which is a incompatibilities. Uh, let's see one general example. Suppose you are having a substance A and substance B. You are having substance A and substance B, and by mixing this substance A and B, you wanted to prepare a third substance, that is a C, which is a your final product. But at the actual mixing of substance A and B, you get a final product. Instead of C, you get a final product D, which is unsafety, which is not efficient to you, and its appearance is total different than product C. That means by mixing substance A and B, you expected to get a substance C, but actual you get a substance D, which is not useful to you. That means directly you can say that the substance A and substance B are incompatible with each other. So now see the actual meaning of incompatibilities. Okay, incompatibilities means a result of mixing of two or more antagonistic substance, an undesirable product is formed which may affect the safety, efficacy and appearance of the pharmaceutical preparation. What is the meaning of incompatibilities? Result of mixing of two or more antagonistic substance. When you mix two or more than two antagonistic substance, their mixing forms a undesirable product which is not useful to you, which is not safety for your patient or for human. So result of mixing of two or more antagonistic substance, an undesirable product is formed which may affect the safety, efficacy and appearance of the pharmaceutical preparation. Here's the actual definition of incompatibility. This incompatibility can be happen in between any drug and drug interaction, or this incompatibility can be happen in between two drug, or in between drug or any additives which is included in that formulation. Okay, interaction or incompatibility can be happen in between drug and drug and any additives. So now see the type of this incompatibility. There are mainly three types of incompatibility. First one is physical incompatibility, second one is chemical incompatibility, and third is therapeutic incompatibility. There are mainly three types of incompatibility. First is physical incompatibility, second is chemical incompatibility, and third is therapeutic incompatibility. Now see physical incompatibility in detail. Okay, what do you mean by physical incompatibility? Okay, when two or more than two substance combine together, a physical changes takes place, an unacceptable product is formed, is known as physical incompatibility. That means when you are mixing, or when you are going to mix a two or more than two substance, physical changes takes place in between that two substance. Physical changes takes place, and that mixing result to form an unacceptable product. That mixing forms an unacceptable product is known as physical incompatibility. That means the changes takes place in between this mixing that can be visible, that can be seen by your eyes. The changes can take place in this incompatibility is visible and easily corrected. Okay, so the changes which is takes place by this in this physical incompatibility can be corrected by using any one of method. Which are that method? First one, by changing the order of mixing of ingredient. So you can correct this physical incompatibility by applying any one of these method. In that, first one is by changing the order of mixing of ingredient. So if you have A, B, C substance and you have to mix first A into B, then A, B into C, but by changing the order of mixing you can get correct this physical incompatibility. Then second method, by emulsification. By third method by you can correct this physical incompatibility is by adding suspending agent. Fourth method by using you can correct this physical incompatibility is by changing the form of ingredient. By changing the form of ingredient means if you are giving a solid substance, but they are incompatible with each other, so you can change its form. Instead of using solid you can use liquid also, but same substance but form is change. Instead of solid you can use liquid. And last method by these you can correct this physical incompatibility is by adding substitution or emission of any therapeutic inactive substance. Last method is by adding substitution or emission of any therapeutic inactive substance. You can correct the physical incompatibility. Now there is a type of physical incompatibility. Which are they? We see it. First type of physical incompatibility is immiscibility. Immiscibility means immiscible with each other. Two substances are immiscible with each other. That is, oil and water are immiscible with each other. They can be made miscible with each other by emulsification. That means immiscibility means two substances are immiscible with each other. Best example of immiscibility is oil and water. They give one prescription, castor oil and water. But how can we correct this immiscibility? Mix with each other by adding an emulsifying agent. As you know, the oil and water are not mixed with each other. So how can we correct this method? By using an emulsifying agent. Second type of physical incompatibility is insolubility. Means inability of material to dissolve in a solvent. Insolubility means a solid substance which is hard or which is unable to dissolve in a solvent or unable to dissolve in a vehicle. This incompatibility is due to insolubility of inorganic as well as organic compound in solvent. That means incompatibility, this insolubility is an ability of an organic or inorganic substance which is unable to dissolve in a solvent. So how can you overcome this incompatibility, that is insolubility? To overcome this incompatibility, particular suspending agent is used to make a stable suspension. Insolubility, this incompatibility can be overcome by using a suspending agent to make a stable suspension. Then third type of physical incompatibility is precipitation. Precipitation means when ingredient or two or more solvent are mixed together, a resulting product shows a precipitate formation. When you are mix your ingredient with each other with the help by using a solvent, there is a no formulation, but we get a clear formulation, we get a precipitate instead of clear formulation. This incompatibility is known as precipitation. That is precipitation made in organic solvent when mixed with preparation. So precipitation is one of the type of physical incompatibility. Then fourth type of physical incompatibility is liquefaction. What do you mean by liquefaction? When a substance having a low melting point are mixed together, liquid or soft mass is formed, is known as eutectic mixture. When a substance having a low melting point, that substance are get mixed together, a mass is formed, but which is a soft in nature. When two or more substance are mixed together having a low melting point, a mass is formed which is a soft or a liquid. That soft mass is known as eutectic mixture. That soft mass is known as eutectic mixture. It is because of lowering the melting point of mixture to below the room temperature. It is because of mixing a two substance having a low melting point below the room temperature. It is an important question in that is, what do you mean by eutectic mixture? Is an important question. So what do you mean by liquefaction? When substance having a low melting point are mixed together, a liquid or a soft mass is formed. That soft mass or liquid is known as eutectic mixture. And why it is happen? Because of lowering the melting point of mixture below the room temperature. So how we can correct this liquefaction physical incompatibility? Such a type of substance or mixture can be dispensed by any one of method. First one is triturate together to form a liquid and mix with absorbent like light kaolin to produce free flowing powder. And second method to correct this incompatibility, the individual mixture is powdered separately and separately mixed with absorbent. Individual powder triturate separately and mix separately with absorbent and then combine together and dispense. Liquefaction, this point is important. A question may ask, write a short note on liquefaction of substance or explain the point liquefaction. So you have to write what do you mean by eutectic mixture and how we can correct this incompatibility, that is how we can correct this liquefaction method. So in this video you can learn about what do you mean by incompatibility, then types of incompatibility, in that 3 types: physical incompatibility, chemical incompatibility, therapeutic incompatibility, and 4 types of physical incompatibility. In that, first one is immiscibility, insolubility, precipitation, and liquefaction. Thank you.